video, because without liking this video this will not work for you. So guys, let's go straight into this video. So guys, simple. First of all, you need to just go here for the AMD Radeon software control panel. And guys, you see here the update is available, which is the latest update. Guys, I also use this update, which is the 20.8.2. if you get this update, so I will not recommend you to guys update the driver on your PC, because when I use out this new update I will get the worst experience in my Fortnite with this update of AMD Radeon. So I will not suggest you to guys update it onto the latest version until it will fix out it, or guys give you the next update of this version. So guys, now let's just go for the settings of AMD Radeon profile settings. So first of all, just click here onto this gear icons and just go simply into the graphics sections. But before this, if you want to reset your all the settings, because it is also increase the performance of your AMD Radeon in the gaming and the other daily performing tasks. So guys, first click here onto the perform the reset button, and it will ask you to performing a factory reset will remove all of your user setting and profile. So just simply click here on the proceed button and just delete out all of the settings from your AMD Radeon. So just after deleting out it, now you need to just simply go into the graphics tabs and follow out my all these settings carefully. So just simply first click here for the esport gaming, because Fortnite is the online games and we need a low ping or the low input delay in our game. So just you need to select here the esports, enable out the Radeon anti-lag from here, and disable out the Radeon chill, because it is also reduce your FPS in the game. Next, here is the Radeon boost. So guys, not enable these options from here, because it is also cause the lag or the crash in your Fortnite and your game is not launched. So just I will not recommend you to enable all these options here, but further into this video I will show you how can you enable all these options. Next, here is the Radeon image sharpening. So just enable all these options and set it onto the 70% for getting the best FPS or increasing your FPS in the Fortnite. But if you want a clear image, so just guys disable out these options, or guys you can also enable all these options and set it onto the 100% for getting the maximum sharpness in your game. But I will recommend you to guys set it onto the 70 or 80% between it. So I just set it onto the 70%. Next, here is the Radeon enhancing. So just disable out these options, and here is the next option, which is the wait for vertical refresh. So also set it onto the always off, because it is also guys fix out your problems in the Fortnite related to your low FPS and the input delay. So just here is the next setting, which is the advanced settings, and here is the anti-aliasing. So just set it onto the enhanced application setting for getting the best performance in the Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 4 on your low-end PC. Select here for the enhanced application settings. Next, here is the method of anti-aliasing. So just set it onto the multi-sampling. Next, here is the morphological anti-aliasing. So just enable out these options. Here is the filtering. So just also guys enable out these options for getting the best quality of your texture and they improve your FPS in the Fortnite, and select out it onto the 8x. Next, here is the texture filtering quality. So just set it onto the performance button. Next, here is the surface format optimization. So enable out these options. Next, here is the tessellation mode. So just set it onto the AMD optimize, and AMD will be automatically handle the best setting for your game in the Fortnite. Next, here is the OpenGL buffering. So just disable out it, and here is the next most important option, which is the GPU workload. So just select here the graphics one and just click here on the OK button. Just after selecting out the graphics, now here the reset shader cache. So just also perform the reset for it after a week of your PC, because it is also remove all of the background or the save cache from your PC. Next, here is the display options. So just click here on this display one, and now follow out my these settings. So just turn on the super virtual resolution from here and just disable out the GPU scaling mode from here. Next, here is the scaling mode. So just simply set it onto the full screen, because if you not set it onto the full screen, you will get the black bar on the right side or the left side of your monitor. Next, here is the display specs. You can also watch out here. Next, let's go for the next tab, which is the journal tab. So just click here onto this journal tab for more optimization of our AMD Radeon software. Here is the recording settings, so just enable out it according to guys your needs if you record gameplays with using the AMD Radeon. And here is the other most important setting to boosting up your FPS if you have enable out this option, which is the instant replay. So just guys disable out these options right now at this movement. Next, here is the show indicator, disable out these options and also disable out the borderless region capture. Next, here is the other preferences options for the AMD Radeon. So just disable out all of these options from here. You can also see out here the preferences for all my AMD Radeon software is disabled here. Next, here is the performance tab, which is if you want to overclock your GPU for getting the maximum performance in your game. Here is the global tuning options, so just you can set it onto the specific game or a specific application. So just add here the Fortnite application here. So just click here on the add game profile, select out the Fortnite, click here on this add button and just simply click here on the overclocking GPU. Whenever you launch your game, so it will automatically overclock your GPU for getting the best performance in the Fortnite. So guys, now here our settings for the AMD Radeon is done. Now we are going to go ahead for the Fortnite settings and for our Windows settings. So guys, now we are going to optimize our Fortnite or our Windows for getting the best performance for our AMD Radeon GPU. So guys, I will give you the link of this boost pack, which is the Fortnite Season 4 FPS boost guide for AMD Radeon user. So just guys download this boost pack from the link down into the description link of my website. So just go there and download this boost pack for your Fortnite Season 4. So just after downloading it, you need to just simply extract it on your desktop by using the WinRAR on your PC. Just click here on the extract to the Fortnite Season 4 FPS boost guide and guys simply extract this folder on your desktop screen. Now open up this folder and just open up the main directory of your boost pack. So here is the first and the most important step to copy out this game user setting for optimization of your Fortnite. So just guys click here onto the user settings and just copy out this file from here. Now press Windows plus R button from your keyboard and just open up this run tab from here. You can also guys simply open it by just clicking on the Windows button and just type here run and press enter from your keyboard. Now just simply type here %appdata% and click OK, and it will take you here onto this roaming folder sections. Now click here on this app data folder, local, and now follow out my G settings and find out the Fortnite games folder. Here is the Fortnite games directory. Now go into the save config Windows client and just simply paste out here this game user settings which you have copied from this boost pack, because it will automatically do the best settings for your Fortnite. So just after doing this, now you need to just simply go into this save folder of your Fortnite and go into the crashes button and just clear out all of these files which is available here. And just after clearing out it, now go for the demos button and just also guys clear out all of these files from here, because it is also increase the performance of your game to collecting the file from the hard drive. And guys, it is easy for the games or also for your CPU to collecting these files. So just clear out all of the waste material from your PC. Now go for the log sections and also delete out all of these forwarded backup from here. Now go back on your desktop and now go into the next sections. Here is the BCD edits. So just simply right click here, but before the setting I will recommend you to guys create a restore point for your Windows. So just for creating a restore point, you need to just simply click here on this Windows icon and just type here restore, and here is the create a restore options. So just click here on these options, go for the configurations button and just turn on the system protection from here and set out the max usage onto the 5%. Click OK and just simply click here on this yes button. Just after clicking it, now you need to just simply click here on this. Now from here just select out the local XC where you have installed the window. Click here on this create button and just name it anything you want or remember in your mind when you want to guys restore back onto the default settings of your window before doing these settings. So just click here on the create button. After creating the restore point, just click OK and just end out these steps. Now here is the BCD edits. So just right click here and run this program as administrator guys. I also run this on my PC in the front of your eyes. So just press any key to continue it. Now go for the next step. It is also the most important step for optimization of your Fortnite. Just open up this one and just run all of these files one by one on your PC. Just right click here, go for the run this program as administrator, or you can just also double tap here, click yes, click OK and do the same step for all of these files. I just show you how can you guys do it. Next guys, here is the last two optimization file for here. So this is the low mid optimization and here is the mid high optimizations. So it is for two type of PC, if you have a high end PC or if you have a low end PC, but I will suggest you to go with the low mid optimization for getting the best performance of the FPS in the Fortnite season 4. So just also open the low mid optimization and just click yes, click OK, and now our settings for all of this is done. Now just click here on the explore button and go for the Windows settings. Just click here on this window icon and go into the settings. Now go for the update and security and make sure to guys update your Windows onto the latest one. So I have already updated it. Just after updating it, now you need to just click here on this delivery optimizations and just turn this allow download from other PC, because it will disable out the automatic update of your Windows on your PC, and it will guys really help out you to boosting up your FPS. So guys, I hope so this video is really help out you to increasing your FPS in the Fortnite season 4 chapter 2 for your AMD Radeon GPU card. So guys, don't forget to guys subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also tell me in the comment section what are you thinking about these optimizations. So guys, till in the next video, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.